Welcome to Smart Living Technology. How to install a sanitary pad vending machine. Open the door with key. Open 4 knots with 13 T. Remove frame from machine. Mark 4 points on the wall with help of frame. Drill on wall on mark points. Put grip on the drill points. Fix the frame on wall with the nail by hammering. Fix the machine on wall, then tie the knot. Take out tray from small box. Fix tray in third and fourth position as pointed in video. Connect up and down tray with wire as shown in video. Fill sanitary pads from front side. Without making gap in between spiral. Close the door. Remove key. Now machine is ready to use. Thank you.